Hello everyone, welcome to this series of C tutorials. In this presentation, we will be concentrating on type promotion. Say for instance, there is an expression which contains multiple types of data. We are comparing different data types. While we are comparing different data types, the lower length data gets promoted to the higher length data. For instance, signed integer will be promoted to unsigned integer. Here we can practically check the working of type promotion. In the main function, we defined two variables, that is integer, signed integer j1 and unsigned integer j2. We are assigning -1 to j1, that is signed integer, and 1 to j2, that is unsigned integer. Next, in if-else statement, we are comparing two values, j1 and j2. We are comparing whether j1, that is -1, is greater than 1. In general, this should return false. Since the data is getting promoted from signed integer to unsigned integer, this statement becomes true, because the value of unsigned integer j1, before it was signed integer, now it became unsigned integer, this becomes, the MSB bit of this number becomes 1, whereas in j2 the value is 1. The 32nd bit of this number is 1, so obviously the value of j1 is greater than j2. The if block will be executed. This is the output. The if block is executed. Here we can see the value of j1 and j2. Practically the value of j1 is 2 to the power of 32, whereas the value of j2 is 1. This video is presented by Avari Technologies. Please do hit subscribe button to get more content. Thank you.